you? Hope you are doing well and everything is good for you. Today we are going to pick some matches, the easiest ones, okay? So before I start, I just want to say congratulations to the ones who played with us, the VIP ticket, and won their first $1,000. And the other match would be tomorrow. So thank you. Let's start the business. First match is Tottenham versus Arsenal. It's gonna be double chance. Either Arsenal will win or they will draw. Okay? This is the match. The other match is Wolverhampton versus Newcastle. Newcastle will score at least one goal. Okay? The third match is in Bundesliga. Augsburg versus St. Pauli. It's gonna be a double chance. Either Augsburg will win or they will draw. The other match is Mainz versus Werder Bremen. Mainz 0-5 will score at least one goal. Okay. The other match is Celta Vigo versus Real Valladolid. Celta Vigo will win the match, and Girona versus Barcelona. Girona will score at least one goal, of course. The other match is Athletic Madrid versus Valencia. Atletico Madrid will win, and Rome versus Genoa. Rome will score at least one goal. And the last match will be Stade Rennais versus Montpellier. Stade Rennais will win the match. So total amount is 29.403 odds. If you play it with 150, you will get 4,410. Okay, but if we change this last match with this, where is it? I'm looking for it. It's here. Where's I see another this the match is Atletico Bilbao. I'm looking for Atletico Bilbao. Where is it? Yes, it's Las Palmas versus Atletico Bilbao. If you play Atletico Bilbao, who will win the match? And if you play it with 152, we'll get 5,600 for 24.35. Okay, remember these choices. Take care of yourselves and see you later. Thank you.